In this video, I will show you how to change your team name in eFootball. If you want to rename your dream team or give your squad a custom name, just follow these simple steps. First, open the eFootball game on your phone. After opening the game, head over to My Team section from the main screen. Now, tap on Game Plan. From here, tap on the team flag. Here, you will see an option called Base Team Settings. Just tap on it. Now choose any team as your base team. After that, you will see the option to edit team name. Click on that. Delete the old one and type in whatever awesome name you want for your squad. Then tap save to apply the changes. If you want, you can also edit the shorthand name from here. That's it. Your playing team name has now been updated successfully. Once you are done, just back out of the menu and the game will automatically save your new name. It is literally that easy. You are set. Now you can enjoy the game with your new team name. And that's how you can easily change your playing team name in eFootball. I hope this video helped you. If it did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.